ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம சிங்கப்பூரில் இருக்க பேர்ட்ஸ் பேரடைஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஆசியாவிலே பறவைகளுக்கான உள்ள ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய சரணாலயம். இதை புதுசாக இங்கே உருவாக்கியிருக்காங்க. வாங்க நம்ம இப்போ இந்த ட்ரெயினில் போய் நம்ம எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சுற்றி பார்க்கலாம். நம்ம இப்போ பேர்ட்ஸ் இருக்க இடத்துக்கு ரீச் ஆகிட்டோம். நம்ம ட்ரெயின்லேருந்து இறங்கி இப்போ நடந்து போய் இங்கே சுற்றி பார்க்கலாம். அம்மா அம்மா சும்மா அங்கங்கே ஒரு பேர்ட்ஸ் தாங்க இருக்குது. ஒன்றும் அந்த அளவுக்கு பேர்ட்ஸ் இல்லை இல்லை. இங்கே ஒரு பேர்ட் ஷோ ப்ரெடேட்டர்ஸ் ஆன் விங்ஸ்னு வச்சுருக்காங்க. அதை பார்க்கறதுக்கு மக்கள்லாம் கூட்டமாக வந்து உட்காந்துருக்காங்க. வாங்க நம்மளும் இங்கே உட்காந்து என்ன பண்ண போகிறாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம். உள்ளே நடந்து நடந்து டயர்டாகிட்டு இப்போ இந்த பேர்ட் ஷோ பார்க்கறதுக்கும் இங்கே வந்து உட்காந்தாச்சு.
The killing claw of a velociraptor, the talons of birds of prey, top of the food chain, the ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How are we feeling today? Feeling good? Yeah. All right. Now, my name is Lena, and I am a raptor ranger. My teammates Joe and I are passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
So as raptor rangers, we conduct rescue and release efforts, and we also take care of the birds here. So today we are going to introduce to you some of our favorite predators on wing.
So if you're all ready, eyes up on that cliff. That is Susie, our American bald eagle. Now Susie is a female raptor, and all female raptors are larger and heavier. Whoa! There's the male. Powerful landing there, Susie. Now Susie has been with us for almost 25 years. Her beak and talons are huge, and she is an unmatched huntress.
That's right. Now Susie here, she weighs 4.7 kilograms, and yet when flying at high speed, she's able to lift off an entire prey weighing all the way up to 4 kilograms. So that is almost her entire body weight.
Now that's pretty impressive. Also, bald eagles build a really huge nest that can go up to 10 feet wide. So we're going to take this stump as a marker, and I'm going to walk this much. This is 10 feet wide. They can also build up to 20 feet tall, which is 5 times my height.
That's a very big nest, Lena. And you know what? Susie here has done a wonderful job. It's time for her to head back home. So let's give it up for Susie, our American bald eagle. largest birds of prey that you can find right here in Singapore.
The white-bellied sea eagles have rough undersides on their talons, which helps them grip onto slippery and struggling prey, like fish or even snakes. In fact, they specialize in catching venomous sea snakes.
Now Lina, speaking about sea snakes, I have a replica of one right over here. So in a short while, Nelson will be doing a demonstration and let's watch him catch this from the surface of the water. Alright, it's gonna happen pretty quick, so everyone watch. Nelson, whenever you're ready. Getting into position, calculating. Are you ready? Are you okay? Here it comes and in goes the snake. And
Now I know that's pretty fast and some of you might not catch it. So take a look at the screen. We have a close-up. And look at that powerful grip. Let's give Nelson a round of applause.
That was indeed really impressive hunting, Lina. And that is why, did you know that the white-bellied sea eagles are one of my favorite raptors to spot in the skies of Singapore?
But that's not the only bird of prey you can spot. Whoa.
Oh, careful there. Oh. Okay, let's help him out. There we go. Okay, no worries. All safe and good. Okay. No worries. We shall help you out. Very playful boy this afternoon, aren't you? So you have to go home, right back to your training. And there we go. Let's give it up for Nelson. Right, Lina, you were telling us about another raptor that we can find in Singapore, right?
That's right. And that is the Brahminy kite. So let's say hello to Sapphire. All right, everyone, take a look at this.
Whoa! Amazing catch!
Now, Sapphire is a medium-sized raptor, but don't let her size fool you. She can still prey from a bird as big as Nelson, our white-bellied sea eagle. Right, Sapphire? Right over here.
Nice landing. Now, by the way, while walking around the parks in Mandai, do remember to look up. You might be able to spot wild raptors flying around in our skies. So, of course, this is what they look like, and the one on the left would be the white-bellied sea eagle, and the one on the right would, of course, be the brownie kite. Now, these birds, it's not that difficult to tell them apart because they are very different in their size, their colors, and even the shape of their wings. The white-bellied sea eagles like Nelson right here, they have V-shaped wings with a wedge-shaped tail.
While Brahminy kites like Sapphire have M-shaped wings and a U-shaped tail. They're also much more brownish in color. So with that, Sapphire, let's say goodbye.
Almost there. You know what? I think she's waiting for a louder round of applause. Let's give it to her. Sophia, our brownie kite. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, did you know that each year about 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia, flying all the way to as far as Africa? Now, but that is a perilous journey, and thousands of them never make it to their destination.
Thousands around the world are being killed for sport. So we need your help to protect and save our birds, or our skies will soon be empty.
And that bird would be none other than the owl. So the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming. They are the masters of silence. Now everyone, let me introduce you. Latif, our Malay fish owl. And right on the side, it's Soren, our barn owl.
Now, Joe, you mentioned something about silent flight.
Yes, silent flight indeed.
It's possible is because owls have soft edges at the tip of their feathers, which helps them with air turbulence and reduces noise, making their flights as quiet as a whisper. They also have excellent eyesight and binocular vision, just like us.
Oh, I didn't know that. But here's a fun fact about owls that I do know. Did you know that the colors of an owl's eyes tells you when they hunt? So owls with yellow eyes, they hunt to breed.
Now, this is an unusual bird of prey. He uses his long legs to walk around and forage the ground skillfully.
So these birds, they are very curious, inquisitive, and even intelligent. Look at that, using his beaks to turn these tree barks around. Now, like I mentioned, they are opportunistic scavengers. So when there is a carcass, they will waste no time and try to steal bites from any open pieces of wood over here. Just like this. So when there's a carcass around, this is what they will do, looking for small pockets of flesh that they can steal from. And if the insects that the caracaras hunts for were to take off, they are able to make vertical flights high up into the air to catch them, just like this. Okay, you know what, Ron? Let's try this one more time. Let's try higher. Much better.
You see, I don't hear an applause.
Okay.
So, we're going to do it higher this time. Alright, Raul, right over here. Yeah, I'm gonna stand. No, you have to start from the bottom. And then all the way up.
Wow, nicely done. Amazing.
Alright, Raul, you've done a great job. But, it's time for you to head back home. Bye. Alright. Southern crested caracaras aren't strong enough to open large carcasses like that one. They need some bird friends to do the hard work first. Friends
Like vultures.
That's right. But vultures are widely misunderstood birds. When you see them on TV, they are portrayed as evil, circling around the skies with ominous music and a sense of impending doom. But we are here to tell you the real story.
So you see, vultures, they are nature scheming up using columns of air to fly and glide through the skies in search for carcasses, relying on a strong sense of sight and smell. The vultures, they help to prevent the spread of contagious diseases.
So let's meet our very first vulture, Zena! Our turkey vulture. Now, turkey vultures come from the Americas and are one of the few with a highly good sense of smell.
So that means that when there is a carcass, the turkey vultures will be the first on the scene. And in fact, bigger vultures will fall down to the carcass, and they help to do the hard work of ripping apart tough skin of a large carcass, just like the one right over here.
Now, another fun fact about turkey vultures is that they have really acidic stomach acid, which is as strong as car batteries, which helps them digest carrion. So with that, let's give Zena a big hand! Alright everybody, you have seen a vulture from the Americas. But let's see one from Asia. In fact, he was rescued right here in Singapore. So everyone, hold your breath and behold the mighty Genghis, our Himalayan rapid vulture. along the way, he got lost and ended up in Orchard Road, Singapore. He was found too weak and too exhausted to continue his journey. So we brought him back here to the bird park and nursed him back to good health.
Unfortunately, Gang is here. He suffered an injury that prevents him from being released back into the wild. So right now, he's a special member of our raptor family. And don't you think that this strong survivor definitely lives up to his name? The mighty Genghis of Himalayan Griffin Vulture. Have a round of applause for him.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the screen. Now that looks like a scene of chaos. A bunch of greedy birds competing and stripping a large carcass down to its bones.
But did you know that vultures, they are social species and they respect their place in the pecking order. So when vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
That's right, so let's meet our very first guest at the feast, our African white-legged vulture. The only way to save these birds from going extinct is through conservation efforts. So everybody, let's take a moment and give a round of applause to these amazing birds to keep our environment safe.
So today you have met raptors and scavenger birds. So these kings of the skies and the walkers of our planet. Now they are all parts of our ecosystem and a part of our planet. So if we lose these birds, we would be losing a part of our planet.
So everybody, thank you for coming down today, and let's do our part to live in harmony with all. Predators on way!
Now once again, thank you so much for joining us here today. Let me tell you about the next program. The very last program that we have right here at Sky Amphitheatre will be at 5 p.m. Right, and that is the Wings of the World, where you get to catch parrots, hornbills, and even flamingos. So don't forget 5 p.m. right here at Sky Amphitheatre for the Wings of the World. And with that, you guys have been a lovely audience. Continue to have a wonderful day right here at the Paradise. Thank you and bye-bye!
Wrong sound, the tentacle. Yeah, he got that right. Let's give him a big hand, everyone. Thank you. Now, parrots, they often copy sounds made by their family members. So when you hear these birds,
ஐயோ அங்கே பாருங்க எப்படி வருதுன்னு சூப்பராக இருக்கு பாருங்க, நிறையா வருதுங்க பாருங்களேன், சூப்பராக இருக்குது. அதோட ரெக்கையை பாருங்க எவ்வளோ கலர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குன்னு. வாவ், அங்கே பாருங்கள் அந்த பறவைகளுக்கெல்லாம் மீன் வந்து உணவாக கொடுக்குறாங்க பாருங்கள். அது எப்படி வந்து அதெல்லாம் வாங்குது பாருங்கள்.
ladies and gentlemen, I certainly hope you have enjoyed meeting our wonderful wings of the world. Can we give them a big hand? Thank you very much for joining us on this wonderful journey, and happy birthday!
இந்த பேர்ட்ஸ் பேரடைஸ்லேயே இந்த ஷோ மட்டும்தான் நல்லா இருந்தது. மற்றபடி உள்ளே வந்து பேர்ட்ஸ் எதுவுமே இல்லை. இது புதுசாக ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கிறதுனால இன்னும் எல்லாத்தையும் இங்கே ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணல போல இருக்குது. எங்கேயாவது ஒன்று தான் இருக்குது. நம்ம உள்ளே போய் கஷ்டப்பட்டு அவ்வளோ தூரம் நடந்து போய் பார்த்ததுக்கு இந்த பேர்ட் ஷோ மட்டும்தான் ஒர்த்தாக இருந்தது. இந்த பேர்ட் ஷோ வந்து 2 ஷோ வச்சுருக்காங்க. விங்ஸ் ஆஃப் த ப்ரெடேட்டர், அப்புறம் விங்ஸ் ஆஃப் த வேர்ல்டுன்னு வச்சுருக்காங்க. நீங்கள் போனீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பாக தவறாமல் இந்த 2 ஷோவையும் பார்த்துட்டு வாங்க. இந்த பேர்ட்ஸ் பேரடைஸ் மண்டாயில் இருக்குது. நம்ம இதை முடிச்சுட்டு இதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம நைட் சஃபாரிக்கு ஜூவில் போய் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இங்கேருந்து வந்து டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் வச்சுருக்காங்க. நம்ம பஸ்ஸில் வந்து ஃப்ரீ பஸ் தான் அது ஜூவுக்கு கூட்டிகிட்டு போவாங்க. மண்டாய் ஜூன்னு போட்டு வரும் அந்த பஸ்ஸில். நம்ம இந்த பேர்ட்ஸ் பேரடைஸ் வரத்துக்கு கத்திப் எம்ஆர்டி ஸ்டேஷன்லேருந்து நமக்கு வந்து மண்டாய் ஷட்டில் பஸ் இருக்குது. அதில் வந்து ஒரு ஆளுக்கு வந்து $2 நம்ம கொடுத்தோன்னா அங்கேருந்து இங்கே கொண்டு வந்து விட்டுருவாங்க. திரும்ப நம்ம போகும்போது அது ஃப்ரீ தான் அந்த பஸ்ஸு. திரும்ப நம்ம அதில் போயிடலாம். அப்படி இல்லைனாக்கா மற்ற ப்ரைவேட் பஸ்ஸஸும் இருக்குது, அதுக்கு நம்ம பே பண்ணி போகிறதுனாலும் போகலாம். நம்ம இந்த பேர்ட்ஸ் பார்க்கில் டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு 2 to 3 hours வந்து தேவையாக இருக்கும். அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி வாங்க. இதை முடிச்சுட்டு நீங்கள் வந்து ஜூ போகிற மாதிரி வரலாம், இல்லை ஜூவை முடிச்சுட்டு இங்கே வர மாதிரியும் வரலாம். ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்ததுக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். மீண்டும் நம்ம அடுத்த வீடியோவில் சந்திக்கலாம். அதுவரை உங்களிடமிருந்து விடைபெறுவது உங்கள் தர்ஷி அண்ட் ஃபேமிலி. Bye bye. Thank you for watching Kuwait Tamil Family channel and stay connected for more videos.
Come, Madam.